What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about how to add core to Metamask. Now, let's discuss what is Metamask. Metamask is a leading cryptocurrency wallet that enables users to securely store, manage, and interact with Ethereum-based assets and decentralized applications. With its user-friendly interface and widespread compatibility, MetaMask has become a popular choice for navigating the Ethereum ecosystem seamlessly. Now, what is Core? Core is a cutting-edge blockchain project utilizing the innovative Satoshi Plus consensus mechanism to create a scalable, secure, and decentralized platform. With over 10 million transactions processed and a strong community following, Core is at the forefront of blockchain technology advancement. Now, to add Core to MetaMask, you can follow these steps. Open up MetaMask and log into your account. Now, once you're in here, click on your network and click on Add Network. In this window, click on Add Network manually. Now you need to fill out this form. So first, with the network name, you can type Core, C-O-R-E. And for the new RPC URL, you can type rpc.coredao.org. And for the chain ID, you can type 1116. And for the currency symbol, you can type Core. And for the block explorer URL, you can type scan.coredao.org. Now, after this, you just need to click on Save. And it will say network added successfully. And if you want to switch to Core network, you can just click on Switch to Core. And now your network is Core. So there you have it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.